Welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to check if a string starts with the word Java and return a result based on the check. Let's get started. We need to determine whether the given string starts with Java. If it does, we'll return true. Otherwise, we'll return false. Here's the code for our solution. We first check the length of the string to ensure it's at least 4 characters long. Then, we extract the first 4 characters and check if they match Java. We break down the string by extracting the first 4 characters and comparing them to Java. If they match, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. In this example, the string JavaScript starts with Java, so the function returns true. In this case, the string is exactly Java, so the function also returns true. In this example, the string Python does not start with Java, so the function returns false. Here's the same code using ES6 arrow functions syntax. It is shorter, but performs the same task of checking if the string starts with Java. To summarize, we use string methods to determine whether a string starts with Java, and we return true or false based on the result. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript program tutorials.